Hey guys, it has been a long time since I have uploaded a video, and this is actually my first face reveal. So let's just get straight to the point. A lot of people have been asking me how I got an internship in my first semester. Instead of giving you a 5 step to get the internship type of video, I wanted to tell you what actually happened and how I actually got it. So before I joined the university, I was actually doing full stack development. I was building projects with React, Next.js, and Fast API, and a bunch of other technologies at the time. I was also a freelancer during that time. While I was doing freelancing, I started a Discord community for freelancers. Honestly, I never expected it to grow the way it did. In around 8 months, it crossed 2k members, and today it has more than 5k members. Managing the community taught me a lot, and I also met a lot of people through that. Then I joined university. The first thing I did was start applying to internships. I got a lot of rejections, so I started thinking, what's the reason? When I looked around, I realized most of the students were learning the same stack, mainly Munstack and app development, and applying for the same kind of roles. There is nothing wrong with that, but I wanted to do something that made my profile a little different. That's why I got into AI. I spent most of the time learning and building things like RAG, VectorDB, AI agents, prompt engineering, evaluation, basically trying to understand how the system actually worked instead of just watching tutorials. Apart from that, I kept going to meetups and tech events. I met a lot of people who have experience in development there. Even today, I still talk to some of them for the guidance. One thing I wanted to mention is that I never asked anyone for a referral. Not because referral is bad, they are completely fine, but I just wanted to see if I could get an opportunity based on my work. During that time, I also participated in a couple of competitions, like one was MLH Hack Day Bangalore, and in which I went with my friends and got second place for best use case of Gemini. It was a 12-hour straight hackathon, and we won it. And the other was a launchpad event where we had to go and pitch our own product, and we actually came it as a runner-up and in second place. And yeah, I went with the seniors there. Those experiences really boosted my confidence. After that, I started getting interview calls because my resume and everything was pretty good. Eventually, I got multiple offers, but one thing almost every companies were asked me that you are young, can we believe in you or the work? Honestly, that was a fair question because I was young and I was in first year, so majority of the students who go for internship do it in second or third year, and I did it in first sem itself. Eventually, I got an offer from an AI voice agent startup. The funny thing is that I got the offer just 2 weeks before my semester exam. I accepted it. Now my internship period is over, but I'm still working there because they like my work. During the internship, I got to work on government projects, projects for international clients, and also on the company's own product. I worked on web application, SEO, AI automation, voice agents, and honestly learned more than I expected. So yeah, the that's basically how I got my internship in first semester. If I had to leave you one piece of advice, it would be that don't send the same resume everywhere. Take a few minutes, read the job description, and customize your resume for the role. It genuinely makes difference. Anyway, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.